Great ideas to help you succeed in affiliate marketing. Is the internet really the road to instant riches? If you've ever asked that question, then it's obvious that you've never attempted to start an online business before. Take affiliate marketing as a quick example. This entails selling products for a commission. You'll never find the word instant associated with this business. Here are some tips to help you understand more about it. Make sure you understand what you are getting into before you make a site. There usually isn't a big commitment when it comes to affiliate marketing, but make sure you always read all fine print. You want to make sure you know the expectations of your affiliates with you and whether or not you can meet those expectations before you proceed. There is no doubt that successful affiliate marketing does take a lot of consistent effort. Start by finding a niche, a topic, that is interesting to you. This way you will enjoy writing the content and building the niche website. Then find services and products that you can promote on your site. Then you can successfully market for an affiliate, and make some extra cash while doing so. You may have to invest a little bit of capital if you expect big results in affiliate marketing. Do not be afraid to spend some money on ad services that will allow you to better target traffic. This will ultimately increase your presence online and give you many more chances to earn big commissions. Although the profits from being an affiliate marketer aren't going to be instantaneous, they can be steady and they can be plentiful. Your particular level of success depends on how much you learn about marketing and how well you can develop a campaign. Use the tips provided to you here to assist you in your efforts. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.